Make a great choice today with the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, navigation system, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.